Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how Apple, the world's most valuable company, hides its controversies from the public eye. Apple is a brand that is synonymous with innovation, design, and quality. But like any other company, it's not immune to controversies. From labor violations in its supply chain to antitrust allegations, Apple has faced its fair share of controversies over the years. However, unlike other companies, Apple has been successful in keeping most of these controversies out of the public eye. So, how does Apple manage to hide its controversies? Controlling the narrative. Apple is known for its secrecy and tight control over its public image. The company has a carefully crafted brand image that it's fiercely protective of. Apple's PR team is notorious for being unresponsive to media inquiries and deflecting questions with carefully crafted statements. Strategic leaks. Apple is also known for strategically leaking information to the media to shape the narrative around its controversies. For example, when the company was accused of using sweatshop labor in its supply chain, it leaked a story to the New York Times about its efforts to improve working conditions in its factories. Settling out of court. Another tactic that Apple uses to avoid negative publicity is settling lawsuits out of court. By settling out of court, Apple avoids the negative publicity that comes with a high-profile legal battle. It also allows the company to maintain control over the narrative and the terms of the settlement,